Okay, so now in this example, we're going to practice putting in the correct inequality for comparing two numbers on the number line, okay? So now I just wrote this number line so you can have something to visualize, okay? But again, you want to do this in your mind's eye. So here's a number line, okay? And so we're going to decide which inequality we should use. So here we have 7 and 9, and so we know that 7 is to the left of 9, right? So this one's pretty easy because this is what we're familiar with, right? 9 is larger than 7, 7 is less than 9. So the inequality that we would use in this case would be less than. Because 7 is less than 9, right? 7 comes over here, 7 comes over here, and 9 comes up further, right? Now what about 0 and negative 1? Well, in this case, 0 is to the right of negative 1, right? So 0 is greater than. So we would use greater than in this case, okay? Because here's 0, here's negative 1. So negative 1 is less than 0, which means 0 is greater than 1, or negative 1. Now what about this one? Negative 4 and negative 2. Well, negative 4 comes over here. Here's negative 2. So negative 4 is further that way. Again, it's to the left of negative 2, which means it's less than. So negative 4 is less than negative 2. And then, of course, here's 0 and negative 2. Negative 2 is to the left of 0, so negative 2 is less than 0. And so we put less than there. And that's it. And another thing to keep in mind, a little mnemonic to remember, the mouth always goes towards the larger number, okay? So there's two different ways you can look at it. You could either say the mouth goes towards when I was a kid in elementary school and we were learning this stuff, and again, you learn this stuff over and over again, but we had little alligators or pelicans, and so the pelican's mouth or the alligator's mouth would always go towards the larger number of animals. So if it was a pelican, it'd be like fish, so that you would always put the mouth of the pelican towards the bigger number of fish. Okay, see, that's at least how I remember it. Or another way is, remember the arrow. The arrow always points to the smaller number. Either way will help you remember how to do this. Okay, so this is less than, this is greater than. Okay, take care.